Welcome to the world of rustic wood furniture, where the beauty of nature meets the warmth of home. This unique style not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of your living space, but also fosters a sense of comfort and authenticity. As we explore the transformative power of rustic wood furniture, you'll discover how these pieces can breathe life into your home, creating inviting environments that resonate with character and charm. Whether you're seeking to furnish a cozy cabin, a modern loft, or a traditional home, Rustic Wood offers versatile options that cater to a wide range of tastes and preferences. Rustic wood furniture is much more than just a design choice. It embodies a philosophy that values the beauty of natural materials and the stories they tell. Each piece, crafted from reclaimed wood or sustainably sourced materials, carries with it a sense of history and individuality. The natural grains, textures, and imperfections found in rustic would not only reflect the craftsmanship behind each item, but also invite a tactile experience that resonates with the human spirit. In a world dominated by mass production, rustic wood furniture stands out as a testament to authenticity, offering unique character that transforms a house into a home. By incorporating rustic pieces into your living space, you not only enhance its aesthetic appeal, but also create a warm and inviting atmosphere, encouraging connection, relaxation, and cherished memories among family and friends. If you've enjoyed exploring the captivating world of rustic wood furniture with us today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content that celebrates the beauty of home design. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on our latest videos, tips, and tricks to enhance your living space. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with friends and family who might also appreciate the charm of rustic decor. Your support not only helps us grow, but also fosters a community of design enthusiasts who share a passion for creating warm, inviting homes. Be sure to stay with us until the end of the video, as we have some exciting insights and ideas to share that will help you fully embrace the rustic aesthetic in your own space. Rustic wood furniture offers an enchanting blend of beauty, warmth, and authenticity, making it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to create living spaces that resonate with character and charm. Each piece, whether it's a sprawling farmhouse dining table, a sturdy coffee table with a live edge, or intricately designed shelving, carries with it a sense of history and individuality that modern mass-produced furniture often lacks. The natural grains, textures, and imperfections found in rustic would not only celebrate the material's origins, but also create a tactile experience that invites touch and interaction. This furniture style is incredibly versatile, seamlessly integrating into a variety of design aesthetics, from traditional to contemporary, allowing homeowners to express their personal style while maintaining a cohesive look. One of the most significant advantages of incorporating rustic wood furniture into your living space is its ability to create a welcoming atmosphere. The warmth of wood fosters an inviting environment, encouraging relaxation and connection. Imagine gathering around a large rustic dining table with family and friends, sharing meals and stories, or unwinding in a cozy living room adorned with a beautifully crafted coffee table. These pieces not only serve functional purposes, but also become the backdrop for cherished memories, enriching your home's narrative. The sustainability aspect of rustic wood furniture cannot be overlooked. Many pieces are crafted from reclaimed materials, which not only reduces environmental impact, but also adds a narrative of renewal and history to your home. By choosing sustainable furniture, you are making a conscientious choice that benefits the planet while enjoying beautiful, unique designs. This commitment to sustainability is increasingly important in today's world, where consumers are becoming more aware of their environmental footprints. Rustic wood furniture is also notable for its embrace of imperfection. Unlike mass-produced items that often strive for uniformity, rustic pieces celebrate natural flaws such as knots, cracks, and variations in color. Each imperfection tells a story, reflecting the craftsmanship and history behind the piece. This acceptance of flaws resonates with many homeowners, reflecting a more relaxed and authentic lifestyle. It invites a sense of comfort and familiarity, making your home feel lived in and loved. In addition to its aesthetic appeal, Rustic wood furniture offers functional storage solutions that enhance the overall design of your home. Consider a rustic bookshelf made from reclaimed wood, which not only provides a place for your favorite books, but also showcases decorative items that reflect your personality. This dual functionality is a hallmark of rustic design, allowing you to maintain an organized space without sacrificing style. Furthermore, rustic cabinets and sideboards can hold cherished mementos and everyday items, enhancing both the practicality and aesthetic of your living area. The beauty of rustic wood lies in its versatility. It can complement a variety of design elements. For instance, pairing rustic pieces with contemporary decor creates a striking contrast that enhances the character of your space. This adaptability allows for creative expression, enabling homeowners to curate their environments in ways that feel authentic to them. Whether you're aiming for a cozy cabin vibe or a chic urban loft, rustic wood furniture can play a vital role in achieving your desired aesthetic. Outdoors, rustic wood furniture enhances patios and gardens, providing a natural look that complements the surrounding environment. A rustic dining set or comfortable benches can transform your outdoor space into an inviting retreat for relaxation and gatherings. Imagine hosting a summer barbecue or enjoying a quiet evening under the stars, surrounded by the beauty of nature and the warmth of natural wood. Layering textures is another way to enhance the appeal of rustic wood furniture. Combining wood with soft fabrics like linen or wool creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. This interplay of materials enriches visual interest, making your space feel dynamic and alive. Textured throws, plush cushions, and woven baskets can complement rustic wood pieces, creating a harmonious balance between comfort and style. Personalization is key when it comes to rustic wood furniture. Many homeowners enjoy the opportunity to customize their pieces, whether through refinishing, painting, or adding unique hardware. These small changes can reflect your personality and style, ensuring that your home feels uniquely yours. Additionally, incorporating family heirlooms or vintage finds can further enhance the story of your space, creating a rich tapestry of memories and history. Ultimately, investing in quality rustic wood furniture is a decision that pays off in the long run. These pieces are often built to last, providing durability alongside their aesthetic appeal. With proper care, rustic wood furniture can become a cherished part of your home for generations, adding both value and character. As you choose to incorporate rustic wood into your living space, you create an environment that reflects your values, embraces individuality, and fosters connection, making your house truly feel like a home. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you found inspiration and valuable insights into the world of rustic wood furniture, and that you're excited to incorporate these beautiful pieces into your home. If you enjoyed the content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more engaging videos that explore various aspects of home design and decor. Your likes and shares truly make a difference in helping us reach a wider audience and build a community of design enthusiasts. We appreciate your support, and we can't wait to bring you more creative ideas and tips in future videos. Stay tuned for more, and remember, your dream home is just a few decor choices away.